Okay, drawing fans, today we're going to be drawing a Christmas pickle. Roar! Some of you might have this tradition at your house where you hide an ornament, a pickle, Christmas pickle on your tree and you have to find it. It's kind of like the elf on the shelf where you have to find the elf every day. And we're going to draw this character. Then we're going to spin a Christmas picker wheel and add something fun and crazy to our Christmas pickle. Are you ready to start drawing with me? Let's do it. So to draw this Christmas pickle, we're going to start with those fun, big cartoon eyes. Remember, you're a cartoonist. Feel free to exaggerate and make things crazy and wild. Like those are some big eyes right there. Now, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the Christmas pickle's mouth. So we're going to draw a curved line here and another curved line here. Let's bring a line down like so, and then inside that mouth we're going to draw two little curved lines. There's the tongue. So with the face done, now we're going to add a hat on top of the character's head. So we're just going to draw a line that goes across like this and another line just above it. Let's connect those two together like so. Add a curved line above that for the top of the hat, and then we need a nice little pom-pom up here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And then let's draw the little pickle bumps. So they're pretty fun. We're just going to kind of go around here. We're going to draw these little bumps here and on the other side. Just little ones. Let's not go too crazy. So we've got these bumps, and then we're going to connect, and that's going to create the body or the outline of our character. We're just connecting here and here. Look at that, it's coming to life. Just like that, we're gonna create this character. And I'd be excited to hear what kind of traditions you have at your house. If you guys do the Christmas pickle thing. I'm also gonna add some more of these little bumps here inside. And then last thing we need to do is just color that character in, and check that out. You have a cute little Christmas pickle. Yay! And I think I'm going to add just a few more details. I'm just going to add some lines here in the hat just to give it a little something else, and maybe some eyebrows. What a cute and fun character. Now what we need to do is we need to spin that Christmas picker wheel and see what we're going to add to our fun little character here. Okay, my members only art site, Harptooniacs, I have these special picker wheels. We're going to spin this wheel and see.
Hey, if you like this video, then you'll love Harptooniacs. It's a members-only subscription art site. Learn drawing, cartooning, animation, and digital art. No commercials, safe content, and most of all, fun! And you can try 3 free lessons today when you click on the link in the description below.
Well, we're going to land on here, and looks like we're going to land on presents. Okay, present or gift. So let's go ahead and add that to our character. So I think it'd be fun to change this character a little bit. Like, let's give it some legs and some feet. Why not? And let's also add some arms and hands to our character. And look how simple I made those. They're just little stick arms, right? Really simple to draw. And now let's load this character up with some really fun gifts. So to draw a present, I am just going to draw a square, but then I'm going to draw a smaller square that kind of tapers in like so. And then I'm going to add a little bow on that and 2 more lines on both sides. That becomes our gift, and then I'm just going to color it in. And then I'm just going to put that gift right there in that arm. And then I'm going to add another one over here. And another one right there. Let's add another one. Now I'm working in the app Procreate, and I do have lessons here on Harptooniacs that shows you how to do digital art, so make sure you check those out. Hey, let's see how many presents we can give our crazy little pickle character. Nope. Add another present here. And another one over here. These are a lot of presents. I'll add 2 presents right there next to each other. Oh, we can put one on top of its head. And let's see if we can put another one on top of that head there. Yep, we sure can. And we're just gonna go crazy with these presents. And there you go, we have so many presents for our Christmas pickle to try and bring home for the holidays. Hey, did you have fun drawing this character? Awesome. Make sure you check out those 3 free lessons at Harptooniacs. Yes, where you can draw with me, members only art site, no commercials, so much fun. I hope to see you over there, and I'll see you in the next drawing video because we've got lots of stuff to draw.
Grab your pencil and your paper.
Turn on your imagination!